Okay, Mackenzie, so we just finished reading Unicorn Day, right? Can you tell me what happened in the story?
Well, there was a horse that was pretending to be a unicorn because he wanted to have fun on Unicorn Day 2, and in the end, the unicorns were
The unicorns were what?
so sad and
The unicorns were sad? Why were the unicorns sad?
because they were sorry.
They were sorry? What were they sorry about?
Because the
horse
was crying.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Do you remember what the word obey means?
That means follow the rules.
That's right. Did you learn that word today?
Uh-huh.
Good. So what's something that the unicorns had to do on Unicorn Day?
Obey.
Obey what?
The rule.
What were one of the rules? Do you remember?
Get their hair all done.
Yeah, get their hair all what? Get their hair all done. Okay. One last question. Would you want to be a unicorn on Unicorn Day? No, thank you. Why not?
Because my hair is going the wrong way where I am.
That's okay. Hey, remember, we're supposed to talk to me, remember? We're not paying attention to this. Tell me, why would you not want to be a unicorn on Unicorn Day?
Because I don't like being a unicorn.
You don't like being a unicorn? How do you know what it's like to be a unicorn?
Because I see a unicorn movie.
Mm-hmm. Well, what about these unicorns? You wouldn't want to be a unicorn with them?
No, thank you.
Tell me why not.
Because I don't want to bite because
These unicorns bit?
No, some unicorns.
Some unicorns bite? And that's why you wouldn't want to be a unicorn? Okay. Thank you, Mackenzie.